Always disconnect power and remove the battery when changing an LCD panel. When the battery is removed, proceed with removing the 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver in order to dismount the hinge cover. There is 1 screw in the middle under the battery, and 2 more on the sides. Do not confuse the side screws with the keyboard screws. Once they're removed, keep them separately. Once the bottom screws are removed, take the hinge cover off. Remove 2 rubber screw covers to gain access to the bezel screws. Then remove 2 bezel screws using a screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, go ahead and pry open the bezel, starting from the side. Move along to the top and the bottom edges, lifting the bezel towards the other side. Now we can remove the tiny screws holding the LCD panel to hinge frame. There are 2 screws on each side. They all are the same size, so you can keep them in the same pile. Flip the screen over, putting it on the keyboard and disconnect the video cable, and position it away from the screen. Discard the old panel. If the new panel is not covered with protective film, place a cloth or a paper towel on the keyboard to protect the screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard, reconnect the video cable, and put a piece of tape over it. Please make sure the video cable is properly aligned and is fully plugged in. Don't apply too much force. Video connector is the most fragile part of the LCD panel. Flip the screen over. Remove the protective film. Attach the hinge frame screws. Now that both sides of the frame are secured, go ahead and replace the bezel. Start from the top edge and gently snap around the perimeter of the display assembly. Then replace the hinge cover. Now you can test the screen by powering the laptop on. Replace the bezel screws. And finally put on the screw covers. Flip the laptop over and replace the 3 bottom screws. The short one goes in the middle. Place the battery, and you're done.